How to transfer money from Braintree to bank account. Braintree allows businesses to accept online payments. If you have funds in your Braintree account and you want to transfer them to a bank account, you can follow my steps. Visit the Braintree website and log in using your credentials. Look for the section related to payouts or transfers. The exact location may vary based on updates to Braintree interface. So explore the dashboard or menu for options related to withdrawing funds. If you haven't linked your bank account to Braintree account, you may need to do. Follow the instructions provided by Braintree. Once your bank account is linked, find the option to initiate a transfer or payout. Braintree may require you to confirm the transfer. Just confirm the transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.